In this section of the tutorial, I will cover 50 tips and tricks on how to use Windows 10. This is going to be subdivided into 5 tips every video. So be sure to stay tuned to watch each and every one of it so that you can enhance your experience in the use of Windows 10. Hi everyone, I am Dr. Rashid and welcome back to Epic Mentorship. If you are new here, consider liking and subscribing to our channel to keep enjoying related useful videos from this channel. For you today, 5 tips and tricks. Let's get started. Tip number 1 is slide down to shut down. There's a new feature now that you can use to install a shortcut on your computer, and once you double click on it and you slide down, it is going to shut down your computer. To do that, all you need to do is right click on your screen, go down to new and go to shortcut. You click on it and put in this code that's in the description, and then you click on next. You just look at it, slide to shut down, and then you click on next again, and you have this shortcut installed on your desktop. So when you double click on it, it's going to show these windows, and when you slide down all the way to the end, it's going to lock your screen and it's going to shut down your computer directly. I'm not ready to do that because I've got some work to do, but if you are ready, you can just slide down and it's going to shut down your system at any time. Tip number 2 is night light. Usually when you use the normal light of your computer, there's a lot of emission of blue light, which can be harmful to you over time. Maybe at night you may find some difficulty trying to sleep. There's a new feature that Microsoft has introduced to minimize the emission, to make it a bit better at night, to recognize that when it is night and to start emitting that light. It's called the night light. To access it, just like the name, you come here and search night light and you can see it over here. You can access it, you can turn it on and off. You can even monitor the strength to reduce it to any length. You can schedule it to on as soon as it is night in your side, or you can toggle it according to your geopolitical zone or to your location. You can turn it on and off. Once it is night time, it will start, and once it is daytime, it will automatically turn itself off. It's a very new feature, and it's very helpful because it helps you to bring in warmer colors that can help you sleep at night. Tip number 3 is adding another clock to your timeline. For example, nowadays, for people who live in different geopolitical zones, like for myself, I live in Malaysia, and I may want to contact my friends in Nigeria because we are at a very different time zone. We have GMT plus 8. So I may want to know the exact time they are in Nigeria before I contact them. So all you need to do to add another time to your computer is to come down here where you have only one time. You can right click on it and say adjust the date and time. Okay, this brings up the date and time settings down here. You can say add clock for different time zone. As you click on this, it will bring you here, and then you can say show time, and you select another time, maybe West Africa, and add it, and then you can call it maybe my time is Nigeria. And once you're done, you apply and you hit the OK button, and you come over here. Anytime you want to speak or anytime I want to call on my friends, I can just come over here and see my time in here in Malaysia and the time in Nigeria. All right, so this is very interesting and quick way to have access to more timing, even more than one around the globe. Tip number 4 is quick assist. Quick assist is a very fantastic feature that you can use to request for assist from someone or to give assistance to someone using remote features in your computer. Once you are online, once you are connected to the internet, you can have access to another person's computer, even log in, even navigate around files and folders to make changes to that particular person's folder once he gives you the authority and the permission to do that. So To do all that, all you need to do to access this very new feature called Quick Assist, all you need to do is to come over here to the search bar and search for Quick Assist, and you can see it down here directly. So to enable people use Quick Assist, you can get assistance and you can give assistance. When you want to get assistance from someone, you have to get a code from that person from his computer. You have to own it, and then you'll be able to generate a code that he can share with you. And if you want to give assistance, you have to get another code from here, and then you share with the person, and then that person can put it in his own get assistance code, and you are both connected, and he can get into your PC to change any settings or to install it, an app, or to run any particular folder options or anything. You can have access to your system directly. Tip number 5 is the voice recorder. Do you know that Microsoft has brought in a very fantastic voice recorder app that you can use directly from your computer that's pre-installed? All you need to do to access it is to just come over here and type voice recorder, and you can see it over here directly. Once you click, you can see you can just start recording directly. I'm recording now. I can pause and I can flag a given time. For example, I'm listening to a lecture and I like what the lecturer is saying at a particular time. I can quickly flag it. I can flag more than once, and later on I can listen to that particular part to get that particular concept. So once I'm done recording, I can click on stop, and it will bring all my recordings for today. By the left here, it will arrange all of them, and to the right I have option to play back the recording and then to share with my friends, and I have the option to trim a particular part. If I don't want, I can move around to trim it, and then I can delete it. And I have a bunch of other options here. I can rename. I can come over here to use microphone settings and open the location of this particular recording within my computer. So this is a very fantastic feature that you can actually use to record your voiceovers. All right, guys, I hope you have enjoyed these 5 tips and tricks. If you do, kindly feel free to share with your friends. And don't forget to watch out for the remaining tips and tricks that I share in this particular series. And remember to hit the like and subscribe button to stay connected to this channel for more of our useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.